2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power seat, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.